Have you ever wondered what truly happens inside your body when you fast for 30 days straight? Most people think fasting is just about hunger, but science tells us something completely different. What if I told you that fasting doesn't just cleanse your soul, but also heals and transforms your entire body? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the day-by-day changes inside your body when you fast for Ramadan. From burning fat like never before to regenerating your immune system, some of these benefits will shock you. Stick around till the end, because you'll also learn how fasting boosts your brain power and may even extend your lifespan. Let's begin the journey of what really happens inside your body when you fast for 30 days. The first 3 days of fasting are the hardest. Your body is used to getting food frequently, so suddenly stopping food intake puts your body in shock. You may feel headaches, dizziness, and extreme hunger. Your body starts breaking down glycogen, which is the stored sugar in your liver, to supply energy. But once that runs out, things get interesting. Your insulin levels drop, which actually benefits your body. This process helps reset insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of diabetes. But here's the biggest mistake people make in these early days: consuming too much sugar at iftar. If you break your fast with too much sugar, your insulin spikes again, making you feel sluggish. Instead, start with dates and water, just like the Prophet, peace be upon him, did. Now that your glycogen is gone, your body enters fat-burning mode. Yes, this is when real weight loss begins. Your body switches from burning sugar to burning fat for energy. This process is called ketosis, and it's the same reason why intermittent fasting is so popular today. Here's a surprising fact. Even though you're fasting, your metabolism doesn't slow down. Instead, it actually increases slightly, helping your body burn more calories. By now, your body has adapted to fasting, but something incredible is happening inside. Autophagy. Autophagy is a process where your body removes damaged cells and regenerates new, healthier ones. It's like a deep cleanse for your body at a cellular level. In fact, the scientist who discovered autophagy, Yoshinori Ohsumi, won the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2016. This is one of the reasons fasting is linked to anti-aging and longer life. Now that your body is completely used to fasting, your brain function skyrockets. Your body produces more brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which improves memory, learning, and mental clarity. At the same time, your immune system is getting a massive boost. Old immune cells are being replaced by new, stronger ones. By now, your body has fully adapted. You feel more energetic, lighter, and mentally sharper than before. Your digestive system has had a complete reset, and you're now in a healthier state than when you started. But here's the question. Will you keep these habits after Ramadan or go back to old ways? The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The best deeds are those that are consistent, even if they are small." So why not continue a little fasting after Ramadan? Maybe just twice a week? Your body will thank you. Now that you know the incredible benefits of fasting, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with your friends and family, and let's inspire more people to make the most of Ramadan. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more eye-opening Islamic content.